Well, at a time when the nation is debating the revocation of AFSPA from certain regions, the Jharkhand CRPF chief has demanded the AFSPA cover for CRPF men conducting anti-Maoist operations. But despite this latest demand, can AFSPA guarantee success in the war against Maoists?
It's a proxy war within, and India is finding itself on the losing side. State governments increasingly on the back foot with the lives of their people held to ransom by Maoist terrorists. And the country's political class failing to arrive at any consensus. Along comes a suggestion from a man who commands 16 battalions of the Central Reserve Police Force and 2 of the Special Counter-Maoist Force, Cobra, in the state of Jharkhand.
हम लोग उसको निभाने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उनको पूरा सहयोग कर रहे हैं, उनको पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। हम उन्हीं के साथ काम कर रहे हैं और उसी व्यवस्था के तहत कर रहे हैं। ये जो व्यवस्था आर्म फोर्सेज स्पेशल पावर एक्ट की है, उसमें पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेज को भी इस तरह के अधिकार होते हैं जो स्थानीय पुलिस को।
The demand for AFSPA cover for anti-Maoist forces in select hotspots being forwarded to the forces headquarters.
जब वो समय आए कि एक निर्णायक स्थिति में हम पहुंचे युद्ध करने के लिए, तो ऐसा नहीं हो कि लोकतंत्र खत्म हो जाए और हम उसका सुरक्षा नहीं कर पाए।
The controversial Armed Forces Special Powers Act that has prompted an 11-year-old crusade in one state and a political tussle in another. The misplaced sense of power that has ushered a sense of insecurity and hatred among the people against the forces that enjoy AFSPA cover is undeniable. But the question is, can AFSPA possibly guarantee success in the war against Maoists? And just how viable an option is it to have the AFSPA cover in select Maoist hotspots imposed during a specific time frame? Bureau Report, Times Now.